If you earn money from renting out property, you should know about the property income allowance. It can simplify your tax reporting. This is a tax-free amount you can earn from property rental income before you even start calculating your expenses. In the UK, the property income allowance is £1,000 per tax year. This applies to individuals who receive rental income. You choose between deducting the flat allowance or your actual expenses. You cannot claim both, so pick whichever saves you more tax. If your actual costs, like repairs and insurance, are higher than £1,000, you are usually better off itemizing those expenses instead. This chart shows how different methods impact your taxable profit. Always calculate both to see which option results in a lower tax bill. Good record keeping is essential. It helps you verify which method is truly the most efficient for your specific financial situation. Tax rules can change, so check official government resources for the latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay informed.